Hello everyone, if you want to edit images inside a PDF using Adobe Acrobat, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Adobe Acrobat from your computer, and when you land on the home page, you have two options. You can just either move the cursors towards the create option given at the top left corner. Within it, you can just tap create a PDF in order to create a new PDF within the application, or tap on the open files to open the file within your PC. But if you don't want to do that, you can just scroll to the recent section and tap on the project or PDF that you want to open. Once the PDF opens within the application, you will see different options within the All Tools section at the left side of the screen. Please make sure to move the cursors towards the Edit or PDF option and click on it. It is important to note that the Edit PDF features including image editing requires an Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription, so it is not available in the free reader version. As you can see, a subscription page is open for me, but if you have already subscribed and when you click on Edit a PDF, Acrobat will automatically detect editable elements including the image, and now you can just click on the image that you want to modify and you will see option to resize, rotate, crop or move the image. You can also drag the corners to resize or use the rotate option if needed. If you want, you can replace the image completely. Right click the image and then choose replace image. After that, make sure to select the new image file from your computer. Once you adjust the alignment and position from the formatting panel on the right side, go to the file option given and click on save or save as to keep your updated PDF, and that's it. That's how you can edit images in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.